This here is my 10-year-old foxhound named Fairy. She's still pretty active, but she's starting to get up there. And now that my car is a little high for her, she has some trouble getting in and out. So that's why I picked up this handy dog ramp. It makes life a lot easier. It's going to take a little bit of getting used to for her, but she's a smart dog. She'll figure it out. And the best part is, it stores so easily. I can just carry it anywhere I need to go. I can put it in the back of my car. I can put it in the house for going up small stairs or even onto the bed. It makes things a lot easier for my senior dog. The best part about this is that it folds up easily. It has a clip to connect to your vehicle or to a post that you might want to put on your bed. It's light and portable. Probably one of the best things I've bought for our dog in recent years. You're going to like it just as much as she does. Berry.